Hello, my name is Krishika Gupta. Well, in this video, we're going to discuss the history of Shapoorji Pallonji, their background in real estate so far, and their upcoming projects. This company has a legacy of around 150 years. They don't only have a strong presence in the real estate, but also the portfolio vast across various sectors. Shapoorji Pallonji Group was established in the year 1865. It is India's oldest, most respected, and diversified business group. It is headquartered in Mumbai and operates in over 60 countries with more than 35,000 employees. And their core businesses include construction and engineering, water and energy, real estate and infrastructure, and financial and manufacturing. Shapoorji Pallonji Group has created numerous iconic developments both in residential and commercial spaces that reflects innovation, sustainability, and architectural excellence. Now talking about their notable achievements, they are the first one in India to construct the 60-story residential tower. Also, they are the ones in India to restore the iconic structure like the Taj Mahal. They have created iconic developments in Asia, Africa, and Middle East. Some of the iconic buildings includes RBI headquarters, ITC Narmada, Chenab Railway Bridge, BAPS Hindu Temple, World Trade Center, Warner Brothers Temple. Now coming to India, Cyber City, Atal Tunnel, and Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium is also a part of their portfolio. One of the significant developments is the Al Alam Palace is also a part of their construction. This project is developed in 2 acres of land area. Here you get 2 types of configurations, 3 BHK and 4 BHK apartments. Now talking about the price, it starts from approx 6.8 CR onwards. Now talking about the location, this development is situated in such a location which seamlessly connects to key destinations like Cyber City, which is just 10 to 12 minutes away, Udyog Vihar again is 10 minutes away, and Sona Route and Durga Expressway being just 15 to 20 minutes away. Also, some of the reputed and top-class schools and hospitals are also few minutes away, such as DAV Public School, Delhi Public School, and Amity International University and Medanta Hospital are just 15 to 20 minutes away. That's all for today's video. I hope you got an in-depth view on the Shapoorji Pallonji Group, their history, and their upcoming project. So if you want to become a proud buyer, do submit your revise as soon as possible, and in case of any inquiry, contact us on the number given below. This is Krishika signing off. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon.